Picture this. You, lounging on a beach, sipping a Mai Tai, while money magically appears in your bank account. Ah, the dream of passive income. Blogging is often touted as the golden ticket to this lifestyle, and guess what? It can be. But hold your horses. It's not as simple as slapping up a few words and watching the cash roll in. Enter AI, your new best friend in the quest for blogging domination, and maybe even a slightly used yacht. No, AI won't replace your wit and wisdom yet, but it can be a powerful tool to streamline your blogging process and help you rake in those sweet, sweet ad dollars. Think of it like this. AI is the Robin to your Batman, the Watson to your Sherlock, well, you get the picture. It's here to handle the grunt work so you can focus on the fun stuff, crafting engaging content, connecting with your audience, and building a thriving online community. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of AI-powered blogging and finally make your mark on the digital world? Let's dive in! Okay, so maybe robot overlords is a bit dramatic, but there's no denying that AI is changing the writing game. These days, you can find AI tools for everything from generating catchy headlines to whipping up entire blog posts, with varying degrees of success, it must be said. But before you start panicking about being replaced by a sentient Roomba with a penchant for poetry, let's get one thing straight. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. Think of it like a supercharged writing assistant capable of crunching data, researching keywords, and even spitting out rough drafts faster than you can say algorithmic alchemy. The key is to use AI strategically. Don't expect it to churn out Pulitzer-worthy prose, at least not yet. Instead, leverage its strengths to automate tedious tasks, overcome writer's block, and free up your time to focus on what really matters, injecting your unique voice and personality into your writing. Remember, people connect with people, not robots, no matter how witty those robots may become. So embrace the power of AI, but don't forget to sprinkle in your own brand of magic. Let's be real, the allure of passive income is a powerful motivator. And yes, blogging can be a lucrative endeavor, but before you start mentally spending your future riches, let's talk about the two most common ways bloggers monetize their content: display ads and affiliate marketing. Display ads are those little squares of advertising bliss, or annoyance, depending on your perspective, that you see sprinkled throughout websites. They're like the digital equivalent of billboards, and while they might not make you a millionaire overnight, they can provide a steady stream of income as your blog traffic grows. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is like being the cool kid in school who gets paid to recommend awesome products. Essentially, you partner with brands and include special links to their products within your blog posts. If someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Cha-ching. The key to success with both display ads and affiliate marketing is relevance. Choose ad networks and affiliate products that align with your blog's niche and appeal to your target audience. No point in promoting fishing gear on a blog about vegan baking, right? Ah, keywords, the unsung heroes of the digital age. These little words and phrases are the secret sauce that helps search engines like Google understand what your blog posts are all about and connect them with eager readers. But finding the right keywords can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, or a particularly clever hashtag in a sea of online chatter. Luckily, AI is here to save the day, and your sanity, with a treasure trove of keyword research tools. One of the simplest and free methods is using Google Autocomplete. Start typing a topic related to your blog into the Google search bar, and watch in awe as the search engine automatically suggests relevant keywords. It's like having a mind-reading sidekick who knows exactly what people are searching for. For more advanced keyword research, there are a plethora of AI-powered tools at your disposal. One such tool is Writelogger, a platform that not only helps you uncover high-traffic keywords, but also assists with content writing and even converting videos into blog posts. Because who has time to transcribe hours of footage, right?